Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Optimism, currently trading for $0.80. Right now, Optimism is getting primed for a very big move to the upside. In August 2022, we saw Optimism get to as high as $2.1. It went up more than 424% in 22 days. We saw it rise from $0.41 to as high as $2.14. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how high Optimism can go in the coming weeks. We'll also be taking a look at Optimism's performance against Bitcoin, Optimism performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Optimism market cap. Currently around $188 million. How high can it go in this bear market? Right now, we're still stuck in the bear market, but some altcoins are showing signs of life. Optimism, one of them. We'll be talking about how high Optimism can go. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Guys, the point of recording this video, we're still deep in the bear market. Altcoins are down really bad, but in the last 1 month, some altcoins are showing signs of life. We have Optimism up 7.7% in the last 1 day. In the last 1 week, we've seen Optimism go up 15.4%. Even though it's down 13.8% in the last 1 month and down 36.2% in the last 1 year, Optimism is primed for a very big move to the upside. If we take a look at the Optimism US dollar price chart, Optimism was launched in 2022 May. We saw it go from as high as $4.48 to as low as $0.41. That's a 90% drop in the value of Optimism. But from July 2022, guys, Optimism returned more than a 400% increase. It went from $0.41 to as high as $2.1. Ethereum was pumping. We saw Optimism pump harder than Ethereum. Right now, since August 2022, Optimism have gone from that $2.1 when everybody was high on it, shouting to the moon. Optimism has lost more than 70% of its value, dropping to as low as 0.63. Why is Optimism primed for a big move to the upside? Guys, we're deep in the bear market, and I told you guys in the previous video, we need Optimism to hold this $0.63 level. Right now, Optimism is holding that level very, very well. If Optimism is going to start pumping to the upside using Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, we might see Optimism pumping to as high as $6. But before we use that Fibonacci retracement tool to see how high Optimism can go and we'll be facing some resistance when we're pumping in this bear market, let's look at some details about Optimism. In the last 1 month, it has gone from as high as $0.98 to as low as $0.63. A fully diluted market cap of $3.4 billion. Optimism currently has a market cap of $189 million. Optimism has a circulating supply of 234 million tokens out of a total supply of 4.2 billion tokens, with over 43,000 people having Optimism on their watch list. Optimism is currently ranked 141 on CoinMarketCap. Now, why do we want to get some Optimism through the bear market? Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. Optimism is one of the biggest scaling solutions for Ethereum with over $300 million in total value locked. It is home to 35 protocols, the biggest being Synthetix, a derivative exchange, Uniswap, a DEX, and Velodrome Finance and AMM. Where can you get some Optimism before continue looking at the price chart? If you want to buy some Optimism right now in the bear market, guys, you can get some Optimism on Binance, on KuCoin, on Wobi Global, on Coinbase, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your favorite altcoin, Optimism is very, very popular. It will be coming to more exchanges very, very soon. Back to the Optimism US dollar price chart, guys, Optimism can get to as high as $6 when we start pumping very, very soon. The whole market is still waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way, but if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Optimism on the 4th of August 2022 to this bottom that's coming for Optimism in October 2022, guys, if this $0.64 level holds for Optimism, we might see Optimism even pump to as high as $7.2 very, very soon. We're in the bear market. All coins are not supposed to be pumping really well to the upside, but Optimism is a new coin, it's a virgin coin. It has not been through the rigors of a bull run and now in the depths of a bear market. It was launched in the bear market. When Optimism pumped the last time, a bear market pump returned more than 400%. I assume this is the wave 1 of the pump. If we are going on the wave 3 of the pump, assuming this is the wave 2 of the pump, guys, Optimism can go from as low as $0.63. Maybe we'll get to as high as $7. But guys, even if we get to as high as $7, Optimism would have returned over 1,000%. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but the chart is telling us that Optimism is primed for a very huge move to the upside. The highest we have seen Optimism price trading will be around this $4.6 level when Optimism was launched. That's May 2021. For Optimism to pump to that $7 level, we need to pass the $1 level safely. We also need to pass this $1.4 level. We might face some resistance at that level. This will be a very crucial level. You can see that Optimism was dumping after the August pump. We tried to rally high. We got stuck at that $1.42 level. So you want to pay attention to what we're doing at that level when we're getting in the future. Also, this $1 level, and it looks as if we're accumulating again as far as we don't go below the $0.63 level. Because if you see Ethereum pumping right now in the market, I won't be shocked to see Optimism outperforming Ethereum. We'll just be taking a quick look at the Optimism, Ethereum, and Optimism Bitcoin price chart very quickly. But if we can pass this $1.42 level in this bear market when Optimism starts pumping very soon, we'll have to face this $2.19 level. That's why we got stopped out in August when Optimism was pumping and everybody was shouting to the moon. So you want to pay attention to what will happen when we get to this $2 level. Remember guys, in the bear market, all coins are pumping really well, but you want to be feeding all those pumps. It's during the bull run when everything is up only. Even though some altcoins can show us that, you know what, this bear market is different from them, they can be pumping to the upside, you want to be wary of all the pumps in the bear market. But the fact that Optimism is a new coin, I won't be shocked to see it go above the $2 level, and if we get above that level, we'll just be left with the $3.1 level. Then the previous all-time high that Optimism sent when it was launched, and then we might go for that $7 level. If we take a look at what Optimism has been doing against Bitcoin, even in this bear market, we saw Optimism outperform Bitcoin in the month of July, entering the month of August. Optimism gained more than 339% against Bitcoin. Holding Optimism in that 22-day period would have been very good. But right now, Optimism has lost most of those gains, and this is why you want to be careful with all coins in the bear market. We saw Optimism go up more than 338% against Bitcoin. Right now, it's down more than 64% against Bitcoin. If Optimism is going to head towards $7 region, we'll see Optimism take out this high we set against Bitcoin on the 4th of August 2022. And for Optimism to take out that high, we have to see Optimism outperform Bitcoin by over 130%. For Optimism to outperform Bitcoin this month, the market has to be pumping. Let's not forget, guys, when Optimism was outperforming Bitcoin in July, entering August, this was where Bitcoin was heading towards $25,000 from $17,000 region. If you take a look at what Optimism has been doing against Ethereum, it still outperformed Ethereum. That's why you want to pay close attention to Optimism in this bear market. We saw Optimism outperform Ethereum by almost 250%. This was in August. If you take a look at what Optimism has been doing against Ethereum, it outperformed Ethereum from July entering August. It went up more than 250%. That's good to see. But as the market has been dumping, Optimism has lost value against Ethereum, losing more than 61% of its value. For Optimism to get to new highs against Ethereum, for us to get above where we got stuck in August 2022, we have to see Optimism outperform Ethereum by more than 123%. And for us to get to a new all-time high, we have to see Optimism outperform Ethereum by more than 275%. Guys, if you think Ethereum is going to pump at some point in time in the future, and Bitcoin also is going to pump, and Optimism has been showing us that anytime the market is pumping, it outperforms both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even though the market is dumping too, it also outperforms them to the downside. So normal logic will say if Bitcoin is going to pump very soon, Ethereum is going to pump very soon, you expect a huge move in the price of Optimism. Now, there's still a small chance Optimism can dump to the downside, but for us to even set a new all-time low on the Optimism US dollar price chart from where we are currently trading, Optimism will have to dump another 50%. which is always possible in the bear market. You don't want to rule out the possibilities of crazy things happening in the bear market. If you also look at Optimism's market cap, it went from as high as $522 million in August 2022 when Optimism was trading above $2. Since then, we have seen the market cap drop to as low as $149 million. More than a 71% drop in Optimism's market cap. And for Optimism to get to that $7 region, we'll see the market cap take out this $500 million region high we set in August. And from where Optimism market cap is currently trading around the $188 million region, Optimism market cap has to go up 174%. It will have to go from $188 million to as high as $520 million. Optimism market cap can get to that $1 billion region because, guys, we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Optimism in August 2022 to the bottom that's coming right now. If this proves to be the bottom in October 2022, Optimism's market cap, according to Fibonacci retracement tool, can even get to as high as $1.74 billion. So, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see Optimism taking out this high we set in August 2022? Do you think Optimism can get to as high as $7 in this bear market? Or do we have to wait for the bull run to get Optimism trading above $7? Will you be buying more Optimism right now, waiting for that huge move? Or will you be selling into the pump because you're expecting lower prices in this bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.